Welcome dear students and all the viewers. Now in today's video lecture I am going to explain you program number 1 of our microprocessor and microcontroller laboratory. Program number 1 is essentially a software program or the non-interfacing program. So the program number 1 is we have to design and develop an assembly language program to search a key element. A key element, say a key element X will take. We need to search a key element X in a list of n 16-bit numbers. In a list of n 16-bit numbers, and we have to adopt binary search algorithm in our program for searching the key element. Proceeding with this program, I am going to explain you what a binary search algorithm is. Binary search algorithm is an algorithm where we will find a number or we will search a number in a list of numbers or in a given set of numbers. Okay, the number which we are going to search is called a key number or a key element. As the name itself implies, binary search. Okay, so the number which we are going to search, it is referred to as a key number or a key element. In order to implement a binary search algorithm, the list of numbers must always be in ascending order. This is the topmost priority. The list of numbers should always be in ascending order in order to implement a binary search algorithm. Now what I will do is, I will consider an array of numbers in ascending order. I will write as, first I will consider an array of numbers, hex numbers 22H, 33H, 53H, 63H and 73H. Now you can see that these numbers in an array are in ascending order. So this is array of 0, this is array of 1, this is array of 2, this is array of 3 and this is array of 4. As you all know that array is a set of elements of the same data type. Now in order to adopt this binary search algorithm, one formula is there: low plus high divided by 2. Here the lowest one is array of 0, so I will write here 0, plus the highest one is 4, so I will write 4 divided by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is equal to what? 2. So binary search algorithm is a searching algorithm in which the full list of numbers are divided into two separate small lists. Here the center element which we are separating the list is 53H. Here you can see that the center element now is, since it is 2, the center element is now what? 53H, and it is at location array of 2. At array of 2, the center element is what? 53H. So this is the center element. I will write here center element. Now you can see that the resultant lists are, I will write here, the resultant lists are, you can see that 22H, 33H, then 63H and 73H. So as I have said that in a binary search algorithm, the list will be divided into two separate small lists, and as I have said that in the program, 53H is the centermost element at array of 2. Now suppose the key element which we are going to search is 22H. We are supposing the key element that is to be searched is 22H. Now it will be compared with the center element, that is 53H. As the list is in ascending order and 22H is lesser than the center element, you can see that 22H it is lesser than the center element, that is 53H. Now what will happen is, so it will check the first list, that is, first list is what? 22H, 33H. It will check the first list. as you can see that 22H is less than 53H, so it will check the first list here. It will check the first list. What we'll do is we'll traverse the list from left to right. From left to right we will traverse the list. After traversing the list, the first element is 22H. This is the first element, which is 22H. Now, and the key element is also 22H. You can see that first element it is 22H and the key element it is also 22H. Hence, when compared, both elements are equal. The first element and the key element both are equal. So by using this algorithm, we can search a number in half time required as of linear search. Explanation, we will type the program and execute the program. Before that, we need to boot the machine through Windows operating system. I will boot the machine. The machine. Booting is nothing but a process in which the operating systems and other softwares from the secondary memory, example of a secondary memory is a hard disk, from the secondary memory, that is hard disk, are loaded into the primary memory. Primary memory is nothing but the RAM, random access memory. So with this, what I will do is, I have already booted the machine. Now I will go to start, then I will click on run. Here we can type command prompt or simply CMD and click on OK. So I have clicked on OK. The steps I will type here. In order to get the editor window, CD/enter I have pressed, then CD TASM. Here TASM is nothing but a turbo assembler. TASM is a turbo assembler. For all the non-interfacing programs or the software programs, the assembler we are using is TASM. Then I will press enter. Then we need an editor window. In order to type the required assembly level language program, we need an editor window. For that, I will type the command edit program name. A relevant program name I will give. Since I am using binary search algorithm, I will give the program name as binary, and as it is my program number 1, I will use the number 1. Binary 1 followed by extension .asm, and I will press enter. Now you can see that the editor window has appeared, and I will press alt enter for last screen. I have typed the program. You can see that array is defined here. Array DB, it is defined byte. The numbers in this array are hex numbers 22H, 33H, 53H, 63H and 73H. Now actually in count you can see that defined byte 05H, as there are 5 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so count is 05H. Now actually here you can see that the key element which we are searching is 22H. Few minutes earlier while explaining, I have explained that the key element to be searched is 22H, so I have kept here 22H. Okay, now final output, if the key element search is 22H, then the output should be displayed as element found. The next step after typing the program is to save it. So Alt F, I have pressed Alt F, then I will save it. After saving the program, we got the output as appropriate message, element found. Since the key element search was 22H, which was present in the array, we got the output as 22H after adopting the binary search algorithm. Now what I will do is, in order to get the output as element not found, what I will do is I will change this number, change the key element to be searched to a different number, that is 95H. Now you can see that in this particular array 95H is not present, it is not available in this particular array. So what I will do is I will first save it, Alt F, Fx. Steps are tasm/l/zi. My program name is binary1.asm. Enter. Now you can see that error messages are none, warning messages are none. It means that our program is error free. Then elink/v, program name is binary1, and I will press enter. Then td binary1, and I will press enter. Now you can see that I will press F9 key. Then for getting the final output, press Alt F5. Now you can see that element not found. So this completes the program. I hope this output is clear for you all. So I am ending the session here. Thank you.